Today I want to share something truly magical with you. We begin at only 10 times magnification, but in less than 15 seconds, we are already deep inside the emerald at 200 times magnification. I have to move the stone holder extremely slowly and gently, because at this level of magnification, even the smallest movement makes everything jump out of view. Most of this video was filmed at 200 times magnification, an incredible power that allows you to see details that the human eye could never witness. This is the kind of show you should watch on your television if you can. The bigger the screen, the more breathtaking the experience. Look at this Colombian emerald. From the very first moment, it feels like we've entered an underwater garden, a living work of art created by nature millions of years ago. This is completely normal for emerald. Unlike diamonds, emeralds are almost always included. In fact, a clean emerald is extremely rare. These inclusions are part of its identity, its soul. Watch closely. Here we can see beautiful crystal inclusions. And now, look at this, a perfect two-phase inclusion. These are typical of Colombian emeralds. They form when a tiny bubble of gas, surrounded by liquid, gets trapped inside the crystal during its hydrothermal formation deep within the earth. You'll also notice many healed fractures. These are cracks that formed during the emerald's violent geological journey, but nature slowly healed them over time, leaving behind these delicate fingerprint-like patterns. Right after these delicate fingerprint patterns, something even more beautiful appears. We are now surrounded by dozens of perfectly formed crystal inclusions, each one with its own unique and elegant shape. Some of them sparkle like tiny diamonds suspended in a green ocean. It feels almost magical. The more I look, the more curious I become. I just want to keep discovering what other hidden treasures this emerald is hiding inside. Every crystal tells its own ancient story, and I feel so privileged to be able to show them to you. Now I gently turn the emerald upside down so we can admire these same inclusions from a completely different angle. The view changes dramatically. When I look from the pavilion side, the image becomes softer, less sharp. But even in this dreamy, slightly blurred view, it looks like an impressionist painting. The incredible green color is interrupted by these sparkling crystals and mineral inclusions, creating an absolutely breathtaking work of art. Even when it's not perfectly sharp, this emerald still manages to look poetic and beautiful. Now I turn it back to table up position, where everything becomes crystal clear again. Now that we've returned the emerald to the table up position, something wonderful happens. Suddenly, many more inclusions become visible. Some of them look like soft veils floating inside the stone, while others appear in elegant rectangular shapes. It's truly fascinating how the same gemstone can reveal completely different secrets depending on how you look at it. Every time we change the angle, nature shows us a new chapter of its story, a new layer of beauty that was hidden just moments ago. Now, if you look very carefully, you can spot a small brown patch. This is a classic sign that this emerald has been oiled, a traditional and widely accepted treatment in the emerald world. Nearly 99% of emeralds on the market today are treated this way. Without oiling, we would see far fewer beautiful emeralds in jewelry stores. This Colombian emerald is not just a gem, it's a tiny piece of the Earth's ancient memory, frozen in time. If you love this kind of journey inside gemstones, hit the like button and subscribe for more microscopic adventures.